All right, look, man, I'm gonna make this real quick and simple. I don't understand all these folks talking about scams and you can't make money online. First off, everything is not a scam. Second off, stop blaming everybody else for you not making no money online. If you're not making no money online, that is your fault and your fault only. I am literally going to tell you and show you and give you the way to make $30 every single day. You don't need 100 referrals, 50 referrals, 10 referrals. One person every day to complete all seven, $30. Done deal. $30 a day, that's 210 a week. That's 420 every two. That's 840 a month. $840 for free a month with just one person a day. That's all you have to do. Find one person, spend 30 minutes with them, have them sign up for Fetch. Society, Dash Pay, Mezu, Digit, and Capital, $30. Boom, your day's complete. If you can get two heads, dope. Especially if it's consistent, because then it's the extra, it's like $1,600 a month. All I'm saying is stop saying that everything is a damn scam and stop blaming everybody for you being broke. You can make this damn money every day. Everything's legit, man. Fetch is legit. Society's legit. DOS is legit. Pay is legit. Mezu's legit. And they give you free money. Mezu literally gives you free money. Digit's legit. Capital's legit. And if you're watching this, you should be on Cash for Ads because you're on Facebook and that's free money. Free money. I'm about tired of talking. It's the Wise Squad and I'm out. You either want to make money or you want to stay broke. One love to the ones that's true.